Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at customary units of capacity and how to convert from one unit to another. So these are the units, the customary units of capacity and the relationship with each other. To convert from a larger unit to a smaller unit, you need to multiply, and to convert from a smaller unit to a larger unit, you need to divide. 1 pint equals 2 cups, 1 quart equals 2 pints, 1 quart equals 4 cups, 1 gallon equals 4 quarts, 1 gallon equals 8 pints, and 1 gallon equals 16 cups. Alright, this is a reminder about when to multiply and when to divide, an acronym to help you out. Best soccer mom, big units to small units you multiply. And silly babies dancing, small unit to big unit you divide. Let's get started with some examples. Okay, from gallons to pints. How many pints can you find in 3 gallons? How many pints can you find in 3 gallons? You go to your table again, look for the relationship between gallons and pints. Where would we find that? Right here. 1 gallon equals 8 pints. And remember, the unit that has 1 in front of it is bigger than the unit it equals to. 1 gallon, it's way bigger than 1 pint. So we're moving from big unit to small unit. Best soccer mom. Big unit to small unit will multiply. So let's go ahead. The number of gallons in the question is 3. From big unit to small unit, you multiply. Number of pints in 1 gallon, 8. And this will give you the total number of pints in 3 gallons. 3 times 8 is 24. So we have 24 pints in 3 gallons. All right. So get your pen and your paper ready, or your whiteboard and pencil, your whiteboard and your marker ready, and let's move on. Converting from cups to quarts. How many quarts can you find in 20 cups? Remember to follow the rule. You can pause the video now and go ahead. Welcome back. Okay, so the first thing we do is to look for the relationship between cups and quarts. Where do we find that? 1 quart equals 4 cups. Okay, so are we moving from big unit to small unit or small unit to big unit? Remember, the unit that has 1 in front of it is the big unit. Quart is bigger than cups. 1 quart is way bigger than 1 cup. But our question, we have 20 cups, you're moving to quarts. That means you're moving from a small unit to a big unit. So from small unit to big unit, silly babies dancing. Small unit to big unit, you divide. So let's go ahead. Number of cups in our question, 20. We're dividing because we're moving from small unit to big unit. Number of cups in a quart, that's 4. What's 20 divided by 4? That's 5. So we have 5 quarts in 20 cups. Okay, hope you all got that. Great job if you did. Moving on to the next question. How many cups can you find in 4 gallons? You follow the same procedure. Look for the relationship between gallons and cups. Figure out if you're moving from a big unit to a small unit or a small unit to a big unit, and then multiply or divide as the case may be. So you can pause the video now and go ahead with your workings. Welcome back. The relationship between gallons and cups, where can we find that? Right here, the last line here. 1 gallon equals 16 cups. So are we moving from a big unit to a small unit? The unit with 1 in front of it is the big unit, and that's gallon. And according to our question, we're moving from gallon to cups. So from a big unit to a small unit, best soccer mom will multiply. Number of gallons in our question is 4. We're moving from gallons to cup, big unit to small unit will multiply. Number of cups in a gallon, 16. 16 times 4, that would give us 64. 24, you could take 2 here, and that will give you 64 equals 64. So you can find 64 cups in 4 gallons. So that's how easy it is to convert one unit to another unit following the rules. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.